Top 3 fastest birds. Peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons are renowned for their incredible speed and hunting prowess, capable of reaching speeds of up to 386 km per hour during their high-speed dive. The golden eagle. Golden eagles are capable of reaching speeds of around 241 km per hour when they are in a steep, fast descent or stoop, especially when pursuing prey. If you're enjoying this video so far and want to see more of our future content, hitting that subscribe button really helps us out. White-throated needletail. The white-throated needletail is renowned for its remarkable speed and agility in flight. It is one of the fastest birds in level flight, capable of reaching speeds of up to 169 km per hour or more.